I'm just outside the studio. We've got the bar out and the boys, and I'm just out in the scene dock out here. And this is Senator Charlie McDonald, and he's from Ballyroan in County Laois. And he's father of the Seanad because he's the longest serving senator in Seanad Éireann. And this is his car. A fine, strong, upstanding, beautiful Merc. Lovely car. And the senator offered to take me for a drive after the show tonight. But now he's just announced that it's very low on fuel, so we have to refuel it, okay? So we better refuel. You want me to help with refueling, do you? Okay, very good. Crisp and dry. You want me to put this in the fuel tank?
Inside, yeah.
This is ordinary, everyday, crisp and dry.
Off the supermarket shelf.
For making the chips.
For making the chips.
You're sure of what we're doing now, Charlie?
Exactly.
Into the fuel tank of the Mercedes. You're watching closely. I do promise you. What have you got there?
So now,
I do promise you, it's a fresh bottle of crisp and dry cooking oil.
Now this is actually the just an ordinary domestic
chip pan.
Chip pan.
Yeah.
And so it not only does it take new oil, but it takes used oil as well.
This is, wait a minute now, this is oil that has already been used for cooking.
For cooking, yeah.
In your ordinary domestic.
In the kitchen, yeah, the ordinary domestic.
And you're putting that in there as well?
And that goes in as well.
Into the fuel tank.
And it gives the same 18 to 20 miles per litre.
Hold on now, just a minute, hold on. That is used cooking oil, and I put fresh cooking oil in there. And your boot is full of other bottles of crisp and dry and all sorts of cooking oil.
As well, yeah.
Okay. You think that we're going nuts. You think that we're all daft. Well, hang on a minute, and we'll tell you more about this in a minute. But you saw what we did, and it's straight into the fuel tank of this standard Mercedes.